Very good morning, dear students of standard 7th. Already I have provided you lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3 revision. Okay. Now from history. Now here we come with the next chapter, that is lesson number 4. Even I have explained you this lesson. Question answers also मैंने इसका दिया हुआ है. Now we will come with the objective part. So lesson number 4, Maharashtra before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, here are few points which you have to learn it, you have to remember it, you have to write it down in your books. Okay, now see here. Points to remember. First one, at the beginning of the 17th century CE, most of the territory in Maharashtra was under the control of dash. 17th century में जो महाराष्ट्र का टेरिटरी था वो किसके कंट्रोल में था? It was in the control of निज़ाम शाह of अहमदनगर and आदिल शाह of बीजापुर. ये आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में आ सकता है, नेम द फॉलोइंग में भी आ सकता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस में भी आ सकता है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न इट. द ऑब्जेक्टिव, सेकेंड वन, द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ अ मुगल्स. What was the objectives of the Mughals? That to expand their power in south. Third one, different people from Europe were identified on the basis of their customary headgear. Different people of यूरोप का different people जो अपना सेफ्टी के लिए उन लोग हेडगेयर पहनते थे और वो हेडगेयर को क्या कहते थे? इट वॉज टोकर, TOPCAR. Many villages together formed a dash, Parganas, PARGANA. The headquarter of Pargana, that is Kasba. Another name for a village, Mauja. Chief of village, Patil. Example of Kasba, Indapur Kasba of Indapur Pargana, Y Kasba of Y Pargana. Understood? Main occupation of the people. What was the main occupation? It was agriculture. Watanders of a pet. It was the Shet and the Mahajans. The Mahajans maintained the Watandar officer. The Mahajan maintained the Watandar officers. That was account of the pet. Accounts of the pet. Sorry, that is one sentence only. The Mahajans maintained the. Mahajans क्या maintain करता था? अकाउंट्स ऑफ द पेट. पेट का जो अकाउंट्स वर्क रहता था वो महाजन लोग मेंटेन करते थे. अब वॉटेंडर ऑफिसर, दैट इज नेक्स्ट पार्ट, अलग सेंटेंस है. वॉटेंडर ऑफिसर कौन है? इट वाज देशमुख एंड देशपांडे. द peasants gave to the share of their agricultural product of the artisan, that was baluta. Link between the people of the government. Sometimes these officers misused their power and harassed the people. Who was the people? Who was the officers? Watandar officers. A great famine occurred in Maharashtra in 1630 AD. In Maharashtra, the tradition of Sant began with, who was the first Sant? Sant Dhaneshwar and Sant Namdev. मतलब जो ट्रेडिशन शुरू हुआ था संत का वो कौन था? It was Dhaneshwar and Namdev. Some women sant were, कुछ वुमेन संत भी हुआ करते थे. उनका नाम क्या था? संत मुक्ताबाई, संत जनाबाई, संत निर्मलाबाई एंड संत सोयराबाई. Understood? संत ज्ञानेश्वर ने कौन सा बुक लिखा था? इट वॉज ज्ञानेश्वरी. His composition are included in the Guru Granth Sahib of Sikh. Whose composition? It was Sant Namdev composition. He awakened the sense of equality between all castes. Who awakened? Sant Namdev. Sant Dhaneshwar Pasayadan in Dhaneshwar. Sant Dhaneshwar Pasayadan in Dhaneshwar. What is the meaning of this? He uplifts the mind. His composition include Abhangas, Gavalanas and Baruds. That is Sant Eknath. He believed that the Marathi language was inferior to no other language. Who believed this? Sant Eknath. Composed Abhangas, his Gatha is a precious treasure. Who said this? Sant Tukaram. He criticized the hypocrisy and superstition in the society. Who did this? Sant Tukaram. Understood? So here are the few points which you have to note it down in your book, and even I will provide you the fill in the blanks which you have to search it from points to remember or from your textbook. So these are some questions. Even options is given to you ताकि आप आराम से लिख सको. Can you see? These are the questions which you have to note it down. You have to find answer. Dash was made up by many villagers. Second one, the chief of village was a dash. Third one, the dash was the chief of Patils in Pargana. Fourth one, the composition of dash are included in the Guru Granth Sahib of Sikh. Fifth one, dash was the main occupation of people. Sixth one, Pune was the big Pargana consisting of dash villages. Seventh one, Amrit Anubhav was composed by dash. A great famine occurred in Maharashtra is dash CE. The Mahajan maintains the account of the dash. Dash is the precious treasure of the Marathi language. The headquarter of the Pargana was called dash. 12th one, Sant Dhaneshwar dash in Dhaneshwari uplifted the mind. Dash was the center of the Sant movement. 14th one, dash criticized the hypocrisy and superstition in the society in very strong terms. Next one, dash officer were the link between the people and the government. 16th one, the dash was the big village of the headquarter of the Pargana. Next one, Chakkan Pargana had dash village and Shirwal had only dash villages. Understood? These are the questions which you have to find out the answer. इसमें से आधा से ज़्यादा आंसर पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर में है तो आपको डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होगा. देन आई विल गिव यू फ्यू नेम द फॉलोइंग and one line answer with question and answer. So till then, for today, write it down in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.